So what was our last session?
Vidya, I'm done with the checkpoint.
One by one, please.
Vidya, Teja here.
Yeah, Teja, tell me.
I'm able to move the folder to
Oh, good.
Yeah, fine.
Good, dear.
I'm done with the checkpoints.
Good. Is everyone done with the checkpoints? Moving that folder into your Oracle virtual machine, right?
Yes. Yes.
Fine. Now you can practice, team. Today is a very important class called parameterizing the test. Parameterizing the test. So what is parameterizing the test? To understand this concept first, you should know what is retesting. In manual testing, we learned the definition of the retesting. So what is retesting? Before that, all of you make recording by your end. Yeah. What is retesting, team?
We do multiple times testing.
Okay, that's
multiple
correct.
data by entering.
So, but I need a correct definition.
We perform testing again and again in the same function.
Good. Same functionality again and again with multiple sets of data.
Yeah.
Okay. So testing the same functionality. Testing the same functionality again and again. With the multiple sets of data. So for example, if I'm asking you test this is the application, test the OK button functionality with 4 sets of data. What you will do? Yes, team, what you will do? If I am asking you to do,
I will use my name.
Okay. First step, what you will do is Satish will click on flight application. He will enter his name, password, clicking on OK button and close the application. Again, Satish will open the application. He's going to use the name, Vidya, password as Mercury, clicking on OK button. Again, he will open and he will enter the name as Iram, clicking on entering password, clicking. Like how many times he is going to use? 4 times. Testing the same functionality means opening the application, entering Vidya, password is Mercury, clicking on OK button. Again he will open, again he will do the same steps. If he is doing 4 times means it is a time taking process. Again and again, if you want to perform the same functionality testing means it is a time taking process in manual. To overcome that time taking process in manual, automation is introduced. In automation, one of the concept called parameterizing the test we are using. So this process is time taking process. In manual testing. To overcome this problem, automation testing is provided. In that, not automation, you can say to overcome this problem, automation testing tool called QTP is provided. For this parameterizing we are using. Parameterizing we are using. So what is parameterizing the test means? Here passing the multiple sets of data. METE, parameterizing means passing the multiple sets of data to test the major function, or replacing constant value with multiple sets of data to test the major functionality. So let's see, before going to the concept, this concept how to do. Before that, first I'm going to generate the steps. This process 2 steps. Step 1 is open the application. Enter username and password. Click on OK button. Close the application. These steps 4 times you have to do. So let's see. This is your QTP. This is your application. So keep the tool under recording. This normal recording you are doing. First time, create one time, use multiple times. So activating, I have entered username as ABCD, password as Mercury. I clicked on OK button. And close the application. Stop recording. If I hit the run button, now will it works?
Yes.
I hit the run button, will it works?
Yes.
You said yes. Tell me, dear. If it any error message if you are getting, tell me the reason. Anyone in the class? What happened here? One simple mistake I did it.
In the username section, you put invalid data.
No, it's not invalid. Yes, I didn't open the application, my dear team. I forgot to open. You have to open the application like this. Then hit the run button.
Okay.
Keep on, I'm missing to open the application. Obviously, it will won't accept because internal setting is given like open window based application. So this is a drawback of my work. Keep on, I'm forgetting. I forgot to open the application. What I have to do for this reason, QTP or for this kind of situations, QTP is saying you can use an inbuilt statement called utility statement. Instead of opening manually by your end, why don't you ask QTP to open? Is it possible means yes, it is possible. With which statements means one of the statement called utility. By using this is one statement. By using this statement, we can ask QTP to open the application automatically by itself. So syntax is system util dot run. Here application path. Application path. This is the syntax. Where at the beginning line you have to give here. System util dot run. Right click properties. Copy the target location. Control V. That's it. Now no need to open. Hit the run button, automatically it will open. And script got executed. I didn't start a topic yet. This is the one basic step. Is it clear, all of you?
Vidya, we have done this by setting the path, right, before?
Yeah, that path is correct. But the thing is, by setting the internal path, it is used only for one time when you hit the run button. I want multiple sets of data to open. This path is not useful for multiple sets. Only one time only you can browse it. When you hit the run button, on the time only it will opens.
Okay, got it.
So that is the reason inbuilt statement we are using. Okay, is that clear, all of you? No, make it aside. Let's see, working process. These are all the steps in application. Now, working process in QTP. So first one is generate the script. Collect the test data and place it into data table. Then do the parameterizing the process. Parameterization process. Then execute the script. Then analyze the result. These are all the steps which you are gonna do. Generate the script, just now I did. Now collect the test data and place it. Generate the script by using record option. The one which I did. Collect the test data. Go to view data table. Here, just scroll down. Like this. A is there now. This is the parameter name. You can change it by double clicking on it. Here you can give user list. User underscore list. Space it won't allow. B is there now. Double click it. Password list. Now user list is C. Here I'm using username is Divya. Then Prerna. Then Satish. Then Subha. Just the names which is there. Then Teja. Password is Mercury. Have collected the test data here. Now these data I have to pass it in which line numbers? Anyone guess it? I will explain you. Just guess it.
3.
Mm-hmm.
3 and 4.
3 and 4.
Good. 3 called ABCD. 4 called 56D03 something. In these two lines I need to pass it. These sets of data. Now go to your definition here, replacing constant value with multiple sets of data. This A, B, C, D and 1, 2, 3, 4 is there na? That is called constant value. 5, 6 something D something is given. So I want to replace this constant value with multiple sets of data. These multiple sets of data I need to replace here. How to do? Let's see. First, here, these two steps are done. Up to now, having any doubts, all of you?
Very good.
Fine. Now let's see. Do the required parameterizing. This is data, input data has to be drive in these two lines. It has to be drive in these two lines. Go to tools, data driver, click it. See, something 56 ABCD. See, constant 1, parameterized 0. 0 means not at given. 1 means it is there, information is there. So select A, click on parameterization. Click on parameterization. Constant here, select parameterization all. This is parameterization option, click it. Drop down list, user list. See, it's got highlighted. I will show you. I will make a side and I'll show you. Configure button, drop down list, user list. It's got highlighted. If you select another list, see, this is highlighting. So I want user list. Click OK. Click finish. Now password, parameterizing, constant value, password. Click OK. See, if I click finish, observe here. Constants are removing. See, line number 3 and 4, just observe it. Click OK. Something got changed. Something got changed. So do the parameterizing, then execute, analyze the result. So let's see. So I'm asking QTP to wait for just 3 seconds so that I can see what kind of data you are allowing. Otherwise, quickly it will execute. Then hit the run button. First Divya and so and so. Clicking on OK button. This is called create one time, use multiple times. In this way. In this way it is going to use it. Is it clear, team?
No, Divya, can you explain one more time?
Where you are getting a problem? First tell me.
I
Does it work for?
I understand.
Wait.
Yeah, I understand after the run button, but before the how to write the how to do the parameterization, I didn't understand.
Okay. Up to which steps you understand?
Run.
Run is what, dear? I didn't get you. Run.
When you done the parameterization, it's you click the run button, right? That I understood. Before that, how did 3 and 4 change this table and
First, what concept we are doing? Tell me. What is our concept? First, tell me.
we are doing the testing the same functionality again. Um,
Please make it fast. What concept we are doing? Tell me first.
we are testing the multiple data at same time.
Multiple time data.
Multiple sets of data.
What you understand in your own way? Please tell me.
Yeah. Actually, we are testing the multiple sets of data in the in one major function.
Just read it and tell me what you understand.
Parameterization means passing the multiple sets of data to test the major function or replacing constant.
Here, what is multiple sets of data in this application, in this QTP?
this password list and username list.
Mhm. In this, what is multiple sets of data?
You said that Divya, Prerna, this name and the Mercury password list.
This data where you need to place it, pass it.
In QTP.
In these lines where you need to pass. In these lines where you need to pass.
Yep.
Agent name and password, na, here you need to pass. And without practicing of beginning classes, you will not understand here. To be frank, please practice first concepts, record, playback. These are all you have to practice. Okay. Every day attending the class is how much important, and doing practice is also very important. Okay. So you need to pass it in agent name and password. First you need to analyze the script. At the beginning level we learned this one, right?
Okay.
So in this script you need to pass it in agent name and password. Line number 3 and 4 I need to pass it in these set of data. So passing the multiple sets of data into the script lines.
Okay.
In these two script lines to test the major functionality. That is called parameterizing. Okay. Go to tools. See, after run you are saying na, not run. I'm giving the, after I have created the, here generating the script is done. Test data I have collected and I place it into the data table. Now I am doing the parameterization. Maybe you this point you are not getting it. That I am repeating. Okay.
Okay.
So before that, what is your doubt? Someone is asking about some doubts. Is it Divya or Prerna
Yeah, it's
or
Divya.
Teja? Yes, Divya. What is your
I
doubt?
just, I just want to know how about the invalid data, how it works for invalid data.
No, you are not testing the invalid data. If you are trying to give any invalid data, it will stop you.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, here what you are doing, you are making the QTP, you are using QTP to avoid the timing. Got it? You are not testing the project. Avoid the timing of your working process, retesting, regression testing, reliability testing. These are all problems you are avoiding to work. Those timing problem you are avoiding. For that, this concept is going to use it. Got it?
Okay. Okay.
Fine. If you enter any invalid data, it will stop you, obviously. It says incorrect password. If it is getting incorrect password means, then it is correct. Means application is working fine. Okay, now come to the point. Subha, just concentrate here. I went to tools, data driver, select. So here, Vidya means line number 3. Mercury means line number 4.
Okay.
Got it? So what I have to select first, Vidya or Mercury?
Vidya.
Vidya I have to select. Select Vidya, click on parameterize. After that select parameterize all. Parameterize all means this all user list I need to pass from 1 to 5, from Divya to Teja. Select all. Click on parameterized browser button. Here what I need to select, password list or user list? Which one?
User list.
User list. Because I'm using parameterization for user list. Click OK. Click finish. That's it. Now select Mercury for password line number 4. Parameter. Parameter all. Which all means these are all sets of data.
Okay.
Click on parameter. What I need to select, because password list I want to use, not user.
Yes.
Click OK. Finish. Just click OK. See, script line got changed. The meaning of the script line later you will understand, not now. Just this is the point. Hit the run button. You have created one time, automatically it is executing. See, first time Divya and password, automatically it's had entered. I'm not entering. QTP is doing.
Yes. Okay.
Otherwise manually means opening, entering, closing, opening, entering, closing. It may take 10 minutes. Here only for one time you created, how many times if you want to do, those many times you can execute it. And all of you, not only Subha, practice is very important. Previous concepts, at least record, run, playback, how it is working. Just do practice on those points. Without practicing every day, you feel it is new to you. Okay? Don't take it as a negative things, team, negative way. Just your learning stage now. So it's a quite natural thing. You will get a doubts, but without practicing, coming topics, you may get a confusion. You have to analyze the script first. Record and play, how it is recording the script, you have to analyze. So whatever data we have entered here, in data table, those data is going to carry forward into the runtime data table. So which data you have used? Go to sheet. You can export this data. Somewhere you are creating with the name as test. And that Excel sheet you can export. Which data you have used for future reference purpose, you can export like this. User list and password. Like this, you are going to use the parameterization. Again, this actually this parameterization concept in future, one of the concept called data driven framework. In future you will learn, not now, data driven framework. In different ways you are going to give, manually, through tools, dynamically, you are going to pass the values. How it is in coming class you will learn. So this is called parameterization concept. If you are having any doubts, you can ask me now. Esteem? Having any doubts?
No, I'm good with you.
Fine. So now one application is there. This application contains 4 modules. Login, flight, open order, flight, fax order. Some 4 module script is there. Default minimum timing is 20, you know very well. But exact how much time is QTP taking to execute 10 lines of script? Out of 20, how much time QTP is taking? Example, I have using one normal action here. I have activated, I entered username, I have entered password as Mercury. I clicked on help button. OK. I clicked on OK button. And I entered into the file open order. I went to file open order. I have given order number 50. So 50th order is Sri Vidya. Go to file fax order. I have given a by default fax order number is 555. I clicked on I send to fax. Around 10 steps or 20 script lines I have created. I close the application, stop recording. So 14 script lines are there, 1 to 14. Only these 14 script lines to execute, how much time QTP is taking, I want to see. Only for 14 script lines. Because your lead will ask how much time for 20 script lines. Calculate the timing and send back to me. How much time QTP is taking to execute only 10 lines, not default. So execution means running. After execution is done, you will get one result window. In that result window, you can see the timing. Maximize. This is the result window. Go to view, expand all. But what it says, login dialog result is done. It started at 10th on 13th day on so and so timing. This time it started. Then you have activated on this timing. Then you have entered the data on this timing. Enter password on this timing. Click on help button on this timing. Like this, it is giving some each and every script line timing, but it's not giving any total duration of the executional. When you hit the execution process, it is not giving a total execution timing. I want total duration, total executional time. Is this point is clear? I want a total executional timing, not line by line timing. I want 14 lines of script, how much time QTP is taking to execute. Is this point is clear, all of you? Subha?
Yes, Vidya.
Yes.
Subha, what I want to know here?
Yeah, we want to know the total time, not the one by one script time.
Yeah, one by one when it is executing, it is giving one timing here. I don't want this timing. I want total 14 lines of script to execute in QTP. How much QTP is spending time? That time your lead is asking you. So in this up to here one module, so and so script lines are given. You just calculate the total executional timing. How to calculate means with the help of transactional point. You can calculate. So here transactional point or measuring transactional point, both are same. Transactional point or measuring point is used to calculate or a measure how long QTP takes to execute the script lines. Means we required total duration, executional time. So with the help of measuring transaction we can with the help of measuring transactional point we can get it. Here syntax means formula. Services start transaction, project name. At the beginning line you have to give, and at the end line also, services end transaction. Same project name you have to give. Only for interview purpose you have to remember. And in QTP automatically it will provide to you. You have to select the option. But very important interview point of question, they will ask you to write. You have to write this syntax. Let's see. At the beginning line, starting line is this. Okay, go to insert. You can see start transaction. Click it. Project name is flight. Click OK. So before current step means this is the current step. Click OK. One current step is here before it is given. After current step means at the first line only. That is not a matter. See, after current step I will give. Go to insert end transaction. If you select after current step, at the bottom, this is the current step. After that it will provide. That's not a matter. Just I'm giving gap only because I will give some differentiate here. So these lines to execute start transaction, end transaction. Project name is flight. Services dot start and end. So previous result window I'm minimizing here. Now open the application, run it. You can see only in result window you can see the timing, total executional time. So this is another result window. Go to view, expand all. Start transaction, flight started at this time. Login activated some lines. Click on end point. Transaction of flight ended with past status. Total duration is 20 seconds. 20 points so and so. Like this, you will get a so and so total duration of the script lines. This is called what? This is only known as transactional point. Interview purpose, this is important. Just remember the concept. If you're having any doubts, now you can ask. Subha, is it clear? Divya, Prerna?
Yes, yes.
Vidya,
Yes?
if we take some more time to fill in the application, feed in the information, and then while recording I'm talking about, if you're taking more than a minute or so, in that case, once after finish recording, Again, when we are clicking on run button, will it take the same time what I spent to fill in those information?
No, it won't take that
It
timing.
won't take, right?
No. How application is responding, it will calculate that timing.
That time, okay.
Because you will enter some data, when you hit the record button, you enter username, password, and you will go with to have some tea. Got
Okay.
it?
Yes,
Again,
yes.
you will come back and you will click it. So it won't calculate on that time. Recording time, it won't calculate. Run time only it will calculate.
Okay, okay.
Got it?
Got it.
Fine. I hope everyone is clear. So now next concept is some lightweight programmatic statements we are using. In this one very important class called without recording how to write the VB script, I'm going to explain you. So I told you at the beginning level you can write the VB script without recording also. So now you will understand how the script is going to return. So there are some lightweight programmatic statements I'm going to use to implement into the script lines. So there are few lightweight programmatic statements we are using. Using to work with QTP script lines in QTP. What are all those things means? Let's see. One is comment. Next, utility statement. Normal statements. Here only we learn. Conditional statement. So these are all some light-weighted programmatic statements. First, let's see comments. So what is comment means? In this QTP, I'm talking about comments. The meaning of comment is asking the QTP to not to execute the script lines. So while executional time of QTP, I need to ask QTP to don't execute particular lines. So here comments means asking the QTP to not to execute the script lines. Not to execute the script lines. So that is called comment. Or asking QTP to ignore the script lines. While executional time. Okay. So syntax is, you can give single quote star at the beginning line, or you can write REM. REM is remark, means not to execute. Different ways. Syntax means formula. At the beginning line you have to give. See, example, coming to this concept only. So to execute how many lines up to dialog login to clicking on OK button is one module. Flight open order, clicking on OK button is one module. Insert order, flight reservation. So this is called login. This is open order. This is fax order. I don't want to use fax order and this. I don't want to use fax order only. These three lines I don't want to execute. With we are ignoring these three lines, how much time QTP is taking? First point. And second point, I want to execute for time being login, open and close, not to fax. This middle lines. Right now only I don't want. Later I have to execute. Then what you will do? You need to ask while executional time, dear QTP, please don't execute these three. Just login, open order and close it. That too, how much time it will take? Please tell me. If you say don't execute means QTP is a machine, it won't understand. You have to give some instructions. So at the beginning line, in your keyboard, enter point before one double quote, single quote key is there. Now click on single quote. Both are there. You just click single quote or star also you can give, or you can give REM also. REM space. See, color got changed. Now QTP won't execute these lines. See, fax order will not work now. Hit the run button. Open order and closing. That's it. If 3 lines got deleted, how much time? We don't know how much time QTP is going to take. It says 8 seconds only. For faxing, it is 20. See the difference. Just example, it is decided by QTP, dear. We are not doing. So this is called what? This is known as what? This is known as a comment. So I don't want to execute these 4 lines also. Yes, you can. You can select all. Right click. You can select comment block. Click it. See, all got commented. Again, if you want to revert back, means select all. Right click, uncomment block. That's it. Manually you have to delete the star, and manually only you have to delete the REM. Like this. This is called commenting. If you're having any doubts here, you can ask me now. No doubts? Prerna, Subha, Divya? Subha, is it clear? Don't
Yes,
hesitate. You
ma'am.
can ask me, please. Subha.
Yeah, yes, Vidya, it's clear.
Fine. Now, next one is utility statement. Just now we did, na? A few more points. One more point I will add it here. So by using this. So by using this statement, we can ask QTP to open the application or invoke the invoke the application automatically by QTP itself. Syntax is this, or one more syntax also we can use. Invoke application path. Either one you can use. Here at the beginning line only you have to give. Right click, property. Copy the path, come to script line, paste. That's it. Okay, hit the run button. It will opens. And here one thing I'm doing, tell me what is the mistake I did. I'm doing now, just concentrate and tell me what is the mistake I did. I hit the run button. What happened?
You already opened the application first.
That's it. Already I opened it and I already have given a path also. QTP will get confusion. Already you opened and you are giving a path. So it won't work. Either one you have to use. Got it? normal statements. So in this, with the help of normal statement, or normal statement another name is automation object model. Object model. So this is one method to write the VB script manually without recording. Without recording, I'm going to write the VB script manually. So for this, first we should have the object information. So we should have the object information like object related, logical name, and object related real object name. These two you should know. One object related logical name is what, and one object same object related real object name is what, you should know. So you are going to, with the help of these two informations only, you can write the VB script manually. So before going to the concept, let's have an example first. Tomorrow we will write, not now. First I will give one example and I will give the syntax also now. This is one school, and one more point here. Every object contain two types. One is parent object. Second one is child object. Parent and child. In application, title will be the parent object. In application, remaining all objects except remaining all objects are child objects. So title will be the parent, remaining all are child. So let's see. Login is the parent, remaining all are child objects. Age and name, password, OK, cancel, help. Click on help button here. For this OK button, parent is flight reservation. Within the pop-up only it opened. This pop-up message is opened within the login only. So for this OK button, OK is a child object, parent is flight reservation, and grandparent is login. Hierarchy. So here first point is any title is the parent and remaining all objects are child objects. Age and name, password, OK, cancel, help. Is this point is clear?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Parent and child. Parent object is login, remaining all are child objects. Now see, one school is there, one parent and one child. Example, school wants to conduct the picnic to this child. This child is example 3 years old kid in general. School directly can't reach to child without taking the permission of parent. School can't reach to child. First school will take the permission from parent first, then come to child and takes the picnic. One method is this. Okay. And school wants the fees of this child, and school can't go to directly child. Directly school will ask to parent. This is one more method. School means QTP. This is parent object and this is child object. If QTP wants to perform the task on parent object, no need to go to the take the permission from child objects. But if QTP wants to perform the task on child objects, first it has to take the permission from parent, then come to child objects. Is it clear? Confusion?
It's clear, Vidya.
No.
Yes.
Yeah, Subha?
Yes.
Fine.
Yeah, Vidya.
So only, is it clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, fine. But don't use school example in the present of interviewer. This example you have to use. Method 1. If we want to perform the task on parent object, here parent object name dot method. Syntax is here logical name open bracket in double quotes, real object name of parent object double quotes close the open bracket dot method. Parent object means logical name of object and real object name of parent object dot method. This is the method 1. And method 2, we want to perform the task on child object. Then parent object name dot child object name dot method. Logical name and real object name of parent. Again logical name, real object name of child. By seeing this syntax you feel very lengthy, but writing script manually is very easy. Method 2 is this. Method 1 and method 2. Okay? Is it clear up to now? Fine. So this how to write it, and what is method means that task which we are going to perform on the application is called method. Which we are performing on the application is called method. Example, title is there. We are using to clicking on it. Method is activate. Text field is there. We are entering data. Method is set. You have to remember these points. Tomorrow we are continuing. Drop down list. We are selecting option. Method is select only. Radio buttons. We are clicking on it. Method is set only. It is decided by QTP. Okay. Checkbox is there. clicking on and off. Method is set only. Just read today these points. Tomorrow we are going to continue with this syntax, how to write with the help of this syntax, how to write the script. Just read today. Tomorrow you will understand more clearly. So tomorrow after normal statements remaining all, then descriptive programming and all. Next continuation class will be there. Okay. So maybe I didn't send a notes to yesterday. Today I'm going to send to all of you. Okay. Updated notes I'm going to send. Maybe QTP part 2, part 3 also I will release today itself. You can go through it. Got it? Fine. So team, with this today I'm ending up the session for now. See you on tomorrow continuation class. Bye bye. Take care.
Thanks for that.
Bye.
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 Bye dear.
Bye, Vidya.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye team.